Hey there, welcome back to All Things Electromechanical. Today we're working on the Jeep TJ, the sun visor. The driver's side visor broke the plastic piece while putting the top back on, and we have now ordered a new one for about $15, and we are going to replace it, and I'm going to show you how to do it. There's a spring that retains on a rod, and a spring and a retainer clip that retains this plastic piece in it. So we have to figure out how we're going to remove the retainer clip and then slide the spring and plastic over the rod to replace the new plastic piece. So to remove the retainer clip, it's basically a one-time use. You may be able to straighten it out after using it, but we're just going to grab on it with some pliers, some dike pliers, and we're going to basically pull it off just like so. And the retainer tends to want to be stubborn, so you'll just have to grab it like this. You can use a pair of side cutters or regular dikes, and you're just gonna cut the piece off, and it all slides off the spring. Okay. And then mine is not coming off very well, so I'll have to take some channel locks and rotate it off. So as you can see, the rod itself looks as if it's tapered, and there's the groove for the retainer, and then the section where the spring will go on. So you'll just slip the new piece over like so, install the spring, then you're gonna set your new clip over the piece, and then using a socket like this, I'm actually using a 5/16 socket. You're gonna place the socket over the retaining clip and press down until the inside diameter of this retainer seats inside the inside diameter of the groove on the rod that I just showed you earlier. This groove here. Okay, so I'm bringing you back out to the shop. What I'm doing is I'm going to set it in the vise because I couldn't physically with my hands push that retainer clip in enough, so I'm going to cheat and use a vise. You may be able to get away with setting the back end of the rod down on a hard surface and using a hammer and tapping the socket over the retainer and spring to get it to seat in that groove. So I'm going to use my vise. Okay guys, there it is. You can see how it pushed out and mushroomed over the groove and the head of the shaft. And there's a socket, and just like I said, we use the vise just to squeeze the back end of the rod and the socket together to force the retainer into the groove. If you like this video and it fixes your sun visor for half the cost of buying a new one, hey, check out some other videos that I make, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.